What happens when you don't subscribe to Nana's cooking channel?
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Let's get to cooking, turn up the heat. You just getting started? Well, she be fat. One question for you.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making the Grinch Rice Krispie treats. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 5½ cups of mini marshmallows, 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, 3 tablespoons of butter, heart candies, green food coloring. To a heated pot, we're going to add in our butter. You want your butter to melt. Once your butter has melted, you want to add in your marshmallows. Then we're going to mix them until they melt. Once they have melted, you want to add in some green food coloring. And we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, turn off your heat. Now to a large bowl, we're going to add in our Rice Krispie cereal. Now we're going to add in our green marshmallow. Now we can begin to mix it all together. You want to make sure it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you want to get a baking pan, and you want to lightly spray it with some non-stick cooking spray, and then we're going to put our Rice Krispie treats inside. Once you have it in your pan, all you want to do is press it down until it's nice and even. Next, all you want to do is take a spatula and go around the edges. You just want to loosen it up so we can take it out of the pan. Once you've loosened it, it should be easy to flip it over and out of the pan. Okay guys, there it is. Now I'm going to take my knife and begin to cut squares. Now we can begin to add our candy hearts. Okay guys, so here are the Grinch Rice Krispie treats. The kids are gonna love these. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?